Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to beautify your sunset images in Photoshop with a very simple way. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image in Photoshop. There is a sunset image and I want to beautify this image, and the link of this image is in the description of this video. You can download it for the practice. Now select the background layer and press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. You can simply hide the background layer. Select layer 1, go to layer, then select new adjustment layer, then select color balance. Select OK. Now these are my favorite panels to beautify the sunset images. Click here, go to shadows, go to highlights, now press Ctrl Shift E to merge these layers. Make sure that the background layer is hide. Now press Ctrl Shift A to open camera raw for minor adjustments. Now press and hold Alt key and increase its amount. Go to HSL, press OK. Click here, select gradient map, double click here, then select this one. Make its opacity about 30 and fill to about 25. Press Ctrl Shift E to merge these layers. Now this is the before and this is the after. So as you can easily see this, that how amazingly we added the sunset image in Photoshop. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.